A nurse satisfaction survey is a feedback gathering tool that was designed specifically to get feedback from nurses regarding their roles and their levels of satisfaction with the institutions they work for. The aim of these surveys is to pinpoint the issues that nurses experience every day, what they think of their employers, immediate managers, co-workers, their salaries, and more. This is so employers can gauge the satisfaction levels of their nurses and see what can be done to maintain or improve them. Any owner or manager of a healthcare facility can use a nurse satisfaction survey. By using our nurse satisfaction survey, you can gauge how your employees feel about their work. If you're the boss, then it's only fitting that you issue a nurse satisfaction survey at your workplace every now and then. Every month, every quarter, twice a year, it's up to you, but make sure to issue it more than once a year so you can track changes in their answers. To use our nurse satisfaction survey, follow these steps. Download the Nurse Satisfaction Survey template off our Carepatron platform, which you can find in the description. The nurse will fill out their general information. There are a series of questions which they will respond to with either highly satisfied, satisfied, neutral, unsatisfied, or highly unsatisfied. Some examples of these questions are you satisfied with co-workers at the same level as you are? Are you satisfied with the facilities here? Next, fill out the answers for the next series of questions. Respond with yes or no. Examples of these questions are, do you think there is job security in your workplace? If there is a lack of job security, do you feel pressured by the lack of it? Lastly, respond to the last section of questions. The last part of the survey is the best place for nurses to provide in-depth feedback. They just need to answer 2 questions. What were the most challenging things you had to do during the past quarter or the last 6 months? What do you think were the most rewarding experiences you've had during the past quarter or in the last 6 months? There is also an additional comment section if the nurses have anything more to add. Here is an example of a nurse satisfaction survey from our Carepatron platform. To find our nurse satisfaction survey, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.